Alright, so what you're going to do is go ahead and go to the CUDA website on your device, and you're going to click on download, and you're going to go to the retail version. Now, our particular school is lucky enough to have the site license. So we're going to choose the license that says site. And then product, what you want to do is go ahead and pick whatever product you want right there, and then just go ahead and click on the download button. Now you'll notice down here in the corner, it will be downloaded. So if you go to your folder and show that, so show in folder, then it will go ahead and click on that. If it works. Next, you'll see the install menu come up. So while it's preparing to install, you'll just simply follow the on-screen prompts, accept the user agreement, click next, and we can actually install it there, and it will take us through the product. Now, when you finish it, what you're going to do, it's going to ask you for next, and you're going to have to enter the serial number. Once you enter the serial number, you'll be able to go ahead and install everything. Now, what's really nice is that you'll notice it will also over here put a little icon on our desktop for us. So that's how you get that installed for CUDA. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Peace out.